Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 Forex brokers with stop losses. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, what is a stop loss? Essentially, a stop loss is an advanced order that's purpose is to sell an asset, trading instrument, or stock when it reaches a specific price. A stop loss order can assist with reducing a trader's loss on a position, limit the risk involved with trading currencies, help eliminate emotions that can directly impact trading choices, and may help individual traders manage their trading psychology. Stop loss orders can both be applied to long and short positions and is crucial for many reasons. The most important being that no one can predict the movement of the Forex market as it is ever changing. So it's always best to have a sense of security when risking your capital. Now let's jump into the top 5 Forex brokers with stop losses. Coming in first at number 5 on the list, we have GOMarkets. GOMarkets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts with up to 9 base tradable currency options, a variety of market instruments and trading tools, lower leverage, and more. GOMarkets also provides their very own trading academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, free Forex educational videos, and their Inner Circle weekly group coaching sessions for you to find any additional education you might be looking for. Coming in at number 4 on the list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live stream that delves into essential trading education and is absolutely free for you to sign up for anytime you like. Coming in at number 3 on our list of the best stop-loss brokers, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, stop-loss orders, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through anytime you please. At number 2 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, more than 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, multilingual support, and more. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market analysis, the psychology of trading, various trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis panels, a variety of ebooks, and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal educational experience. And at number 1 on our list of the best Forex brokers with stop losses, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, stop losses, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader. And for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers with stop losses on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.